Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back again with another try on haul video. Now, you dolls know I've partnered with Asoph before in the past and I wanted to come back and share with you a little bit more of some of the cute items that they have. So if you want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay dolls, so can we talk about this real quick? Like, how can I tell you, like, in one sentence how I feel about this dress? Oh my god. That's all I have to say, to be honest. Like, I feel like a bride in this dress. Now granted, it's not a wedding dress, although I've seen some people get dressed in less than formal things in this. So this is like a really cute for like a shotgun wedding or something like that, but it'd be perfect for a photo shoot. It'd be perfect for like an event, like a brunch or something that you may be hosting, maybe even for a bridal shower. Like, this dress I think is awesome. I know that the white is what I picked out because of the season, but I know this dress in any color, it will definitely look great. And this is in white. I feel really pretty. I feel really dainty. I feel really girly, and I think it's super flattering. I really do love how the top hugs you, and then also it's kind of lined, if you can tell. It has this boning in there. That way it does kind of give you that shaping. So the material is pretty thick. I don't see where it's see-through. I have on black undergarments, so that's good for you to know. But regardless, I absolutely adore and love this dress. So obviously, I would recommend it. Okay, so with this particular dress, I do adore it, and that's because of the pattern, the colors, and then as well as the detail. So it does have that side ruffle detail that you saw, which I thought was really feminine. I do like it because it is not see-through and it feels pretty good. Although it's not thick material, it's not thin either. Kind of like just a regular cotton type of feel. I do enjoy that it's long sleeve. I think it's great for the weather transitioning. Like if I didn't want to wear a jacket or a shawl or a cardigan, I can just wear the dress as it is. So I like body conscious dresses because of my shape. Sometimes when I try to go with a different shape, it makes me a little bit more boxy or a little bit more wide. So I do like to show and accentuate my curves as well as my waist. And I think this dress does it in a tasteful way. So if I were going to a party, a brunch, if I was going to church, I mean, this is something I will wear, okay? So I feel like it's not too sexy, but it's still feminine. And of course, you can't go wrong with the colors. You can jazz it up with a belt, like I was trying to show you. You can jazz it up with different color accessories, with a nice hat, with a pop of color, with a bag. So there's so many options when you dress in a black and white palette. And I think this dress is definitely complementary to almost any kind of body shape or size because of it being a midi dress. When it comes to this particular outfit, I have to say it's really trendy, and I definitely wanted to show what Asoph had because they have trendy items. They have items that are more classy and refined. So long story short, I wanted to share with you what they have that's like on the trendy side of things. And this says money, like Cardi B voice, money. I think it's super trendy, but it's super comfortable. Like when I say it stretches so well and it feels so good, it's not see-through from what I can tell. Y'all let me know, comment down below if it is, but from what I can tell, it's not see-through. I love, love, love the way it hugs my body, the way that it feels. In fact, you can even put this on backwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, put it back on, so you can see what I mean. Now, I absolutely adore this dress, and that's simple. It fits nice. You can wear it with or without a bra. There's adjustable straps. The color's really pretty. It is a mini dress. You gotta be mindful of your goodies here or your goodies back here, but for the most part, it does give. There's really good stretch to it, so I think you can make it work. You can even put like a tank top underneath this with like a little cute t-shirt that has like something right here in writing. I mean, you can get really creative with this dress, but it comes in a dark denim and a light denim. And as you can see, I got the light denim color. I love the pleats here, and the zipper actually does come all the way undone. So I get like the girl next door vibes, like little, I don't know, like girl next door sexy vibes. That's what I'm getting with this. And I think it's really cute. Girl, you ready to go get this dress. Out of everything so far, this is my favorite next door white dress.
As you can see, I absolutely love this piece. It's actually 3 pieces, so that makes it even better because you can buy them separately and style them separately. So beginning with the whole outfit, just the top and the bottom I think look really posh together, but it's still sex appeal because of how it curves your body, and this is a mini skirt, so you gotta keep that in mind, but it's not too short. Now, of course, you can unbutton it. You can wear a bodysuit with this. This particular shirt I liked a lot because these straps are really edgy. They've been in for a while. You can wear this underneath like a cutoff hoodie. You can wear this basically under a cardigan. I mean, just this detail alone I think is really cute. This particular top does have pads in it. There are adjustable straps in the back, but again, for me in particular, I would want a little bit more support. But I really do like this. In fact, I know I'll probably end up wearing this blazer with probably some jeans, like some distressed jeans, and maybe even this shirt or something.
Okay, dolls, so again, that is it. These clothes, I cannot be upset with. I totally adore Asoph. In fact, I adore them for a few reasons because A, the clothes are quality, okay? So sometimes you shop places and the clothes aren't so much quality. I appreciate that with this company. Now, the second thing is my items came pretty fast. So if you've shopped Asoph before, leave a comment down below. Let the girls know how it was for you, but my clothes came pretty fast. And of course, number 3, they're affordable, okay? So these are plus size clothes. They fit pretty well and they're quality, but they're affordable. And you already know, I got my diva dolls covered. Look down below in the box. You will get my coupon code. That way I can save you some coins. If you dolls don't already follow me on this channel, please do that. I am on my way to 100K. I am 93,000 diva doll strong, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So subscribe to this channel as well as my fitness and my vlog channel, and I'll put those links down below in the box. And of course, you think anyone that you may know would like this, go ahead and share this video. So again, dolls, I can't say enough positive things about this company. I want y'all to let me know what you think, but what's your favorite outfit? Which ones did you like? Girl, leave it down below. So I will put my size details, I will put the links to everything just to make it easier for you dolls, but I love doing this for you, and I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.